Hey guys, so I just finished installing this keyless system. It's a Viper system with a remote start on this 98 Camry V6. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's started up. So you get a remote like this. You press this button down here once, and it flashes, lets you know that it's going to start up, and then the parking lights stay on while the car is running. You can see that the doors are still locked, but the car started up and it's running by itself. I'm going to unlock the doors. If you want to shut it off again, you just press the button again. And close it and unlock the doors.